How to make money with neural networks. In this video, I will show you how to make your first $500 freelancing using just 4 simple neural networks. But before you do, don't forget to like this video and subscribe Love Money channel. And let's get started. Today I'm going to take real work from real people on the Upwork freelance marketplace. But you can use any other freelance site. Here is a list of the most popular freelance sites where you can work from anywhere in the world. One of the most common jobs on freelance sites is removing noise from audio. This can be a few short audio or full-blown podcast lasting an hour. Let's take a look at the actual jobs. These are the ones I have already found. To find a task, all you have to do is type keywords into the site search, like audio noise removal. As you may have noticed, the remuneration for such work ranged from $15 to $50, depending on the length of the audio material. Alright, how can we help the client and make money? It's actually very simple. We can use 2 neural networks for this task. The first one is Adobe Podcast. Here you can upload 60 minutes of audio per day for free. The second neural network is Auphonic. Here you can upload 2 hours of audio for free. And let me show you how it works. To avoid problems, I will use my audio recordings as an example. Load our audio into the window and wait for a miracle to happen. The neural network has finished processing the audio. Let's listen and compare. As you may have noticed, the remuneration for such work ranged from $15 to $50. As you may have noticed, the remuneration for such work ranged from $15 to $50. The sound after processing became clear and without unnecessary noises. The work can be handed over to the client and take your money. I spent no more than 10 minutes of my time on this task and could earn from $20 to $50 for one audio, depending on the duration of the audio. If you accept 10 jobs from different freelance sites, you can earn more than $200 a day. And guys, if you like this method, please like the video and we will look the next task. The second most common task on freelance sites is transcription. This is the transcription of sound from audio or video to text. For transcription, usually pay from $15 to $50. It depends on length of audio or video. And 2 neural networks will help us with this task. The first neural network is CapCut. It's an application for video. It's free, but it needs to be downloaded to your phone or computer. And the second is the well-known GPT chat. It's also free. To avoid problems, I will use my cool video how to get rich at any age as an example, and really I highly recommend you watch it. I will leave the link to the video somewhere here. The first things we need to do is load the clip into the CapCut application. Then click on the text tab and then on automatic captions. Select English, click create. Wait for 1 minute and that's it, the captions are done. Very important to check all captions because sometimes there may be some mistakes and you can correct them manually. Now download them to your computer, click export. The document with the text will be saved on your computer. It will look like this. We cannot send the work to the client in this form. As responsible site hustlers, we have to make it look good. But in order not to do it ourselves, we delegate this task to GPT chat. Now we need to formulate the task for GPT chat correctly. I wrote the following text, and we can see that the GPT chat did the job for us in literally 10 seconds. That's pretty cool. Again, you have to check the text and correct any mistakes. And then you can send it to the clients and waste your money! Guys, if you do 10 such jobs in one day, you can make more than $150 a day. 10 such tasks will take you no more than 1 hour per day. When you are new on a freelance site, you may not get a lot of work at first. I know it. But I have a good life hack. My advice, if you have just joined a freelance site and don't have any portfolio, is to take the cheapest jobs that no one else is taking and do them well. If the client is happy with your work, they will give you good grades and reviews. After you get a few good reviews, they will start trusting you with more expensive tasks. and put each completed task in your portfolio and show it when you want to take the job, so the client knows that you have already done such a job well. And before you go looking for new tasks on freelancing sites, I suggest you watch my other useful money-making videos that you are seeing now on your screen. And if you want another useful video about neural networks, like this video, subscribe to Love Money channel. Here I share tips that will help you get richer.